today's video is snowed in. Sorry, Mom. Okay, but today, because there was a snowstorm, thank you so much. I'm gonna be playing outside. Goldie's also here. Look at him. He looks like Santa now because he hasn't had the chance to play in snow for a good amount of time because my mom doesn't like it. And he's that actually felt nice. I could literally stay here for a really long time. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make a snow angel. It's not gonna work probably, but I'm gonna try to. Goldie, are you okay?
Put your hat on, honey.
It is on.
It came off.
Where?
On your head. It's on your.
No, it isn't. Oh my god. Okay, so it's only early since we came out, and my hand has literally been ruined. My left. So I'm gonna walk around, and I'm gonna see how deep it gets before I get to the. Okay, this is really cool. Look at how deep it is. I was on Roblox with a friend, and I was looking outside last night, and I'm like, look outside, and she's like, what? And I said, there's snow, and she was like, oh my gosh, AFK, and then she came back, and she's like, there's enough for a boot. I'm like, yo. But this is really fun. You could do a whole cannonball into the snow. Maybe not a cannonball. You can dive in. So my stupid dog has been caged inside. But not really. But I'm gonna jump in and save her. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in because that seems like a really cool and probably not good idea to do because hey, it's fun to jump in snow, right? Have parental supervision.
No, if you're gonna slip and fall, please be careful.
I'm on snow now. There's snow. So I'm gonna try to see if it's climbable. Okay, it is climbable. It's climbable. Okay. It seems like the sidewalks are disappeared because I wasn't able to find it when I dropped it. Do I? Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's all the way up here. Oh. This is deep, you guys. Look. All the way up to my knee. That's crazy. And I might be stuck. Might not be. Mom? 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 Ow! Ow! I just twisted my leg. Cut. Okay, so hey guys. My mom never saved me. I'm stuck now. My mom never saved me. I'm just kidding. Move over, Mom, please. Scoot. Now I have frostbite. Just kidding. This is really fun, though. Is it paused? You should pause it. And cut.